Good day, can you tell me about yourself?
My name is Irene Afoteros, 23 years old, from Sultan Kudarat, Philippines. I am single.
Do you have kids?
No, sir.
How many siblings do you have?
I have six siblings, three brothers and three sisters. I am the fifth child of the family.
Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am a college graduate, Bachelor of Elementary and Education.
Do you have overseas experience?
No, sir, but I worked here in the Philippines for 3 years, from March 2022 to April 2025. I serve couple employer with one kid, age of 3 years old. I did all around household work like cleaning, cooking, ironing, babysitting, pet care, tutoring some homework, took care their child.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am patient, hardworking, and honest.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to go abroad?
To earn money for my family and my future.
Are you willing to take care a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. I have two hands, the left and the right. Clap your hands and shake, shake, shake. Shake to the left and shake to the right. Clap your hands and shake, shake, shake.
Are you scared of cats and dogs?
No, sir, I'm not afraid. I'm willing to take care of cat and dogs.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk them about it in a calm voice.
Say something to your future employer to hire you.
To my future employer, if you are going to hire me, I promise to finish my contract and I will extend if you need me. I promise to treat you like my own family. I will learn to speak Cantonese and cook more Chinese food. Thank you.